Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and fast cucumber side dish salad. It is tangy, garlicky, buttery and nutty from the sesame seeds, and it is just so good. So good. 오늘의 레시피, 아삭아삭하고 고소한 깨소금 오이 무침 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. I could eat this whole plate and be happy and not feel guilty, which is very important, right? Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean ingredient product links that you could order online. First, we're going to start with making the seasoning paste for our cucumber salad. So here I have a clove of garlic and a fine microplane, and we're just going to grate it and make about 1/4 teaspoon of grated garlic. Let's turn it over and scrape it, and look at that. Exactly 1/4 teaspoon. So add it to our bowl. Then to this we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 참기름, and to this we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of brown sugar and 1/2 tablespoon of 현미식초, brown rice vinegar, but any white vinegar will do. Then mix everything together. Oh, it's smelling so good. Vinegary, garlicky, and nutty sesame oil taste. It's like making my mouth drool right now. All done. And for our cucumber, I'm using English cucumber, weighing in about less than 300 grams. You can use Kirby cucumbers, Korean cucumbers, or any cucumber of your choice. And then we're gonna cut the ends off. Then we're just gonna peel sections of the skin, like so. Then cut into slices. So you want to cut them so that it's not too thin or too thick. Then add the cucumbers to our seasoning bowl. Then mix our cucumbers with our garlic, sesame, salt seasoning paste. Oh, it smells really good already. Here I have 1 tablespoon of green onions, just the green part only. Add it to our bowl. Then just toss it again one more time. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I'm just gonna take one and just taste it. As is, just tossed in our dressing, tastes so good. But we're gonna put this to the side and let it rest, and it's gonna taste even better. And I want you to let this hang out on your kitchen counter for 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Now we're gonna make our simple seasoning topping for our cucumber. So I have 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds. Then I just want you to grind them up. So when you crush your sesame seeds right before eating, it releases the nutty fragrance of our sesame oil from our sesame seeds. It's wonderful. So do this for about good 30-45 seconds. It smells so nutty already. So I want a slight kick taste of spiciness. So I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of gochugaru, coarse ground. And here I have 소고기 다시다. This is beef bouillon powder. And I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon. If you don't wanna use this, you could add a pinch or 2 of salt or MSG instead. And just mix everything up. And this is it. This goes on top of our cucumbers. Oh, together, it is so good. I will put this on, everything. Now, there's so many ways that we Koreans enjoy cucumbers. So if you want to check out more cucumber side dish recipes, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on the playlist tab and select Korean side dish banchan recipe playlist, and I will see you there. All right, so it's been 15 minutes. Let's take a look. So there's a little pool of cucumber liquid. That is awesome juice. That's all I have to say. Do not waste that. Then arrange your cucumbers in a pretty row like this. And I want to show you, this is the liquid from our cucumbers. This goes on top. Then our topping mixture, take a spoonful, and I just want you to pour it on top like that. And there we have it, folks. So pretty, but really yummy too. I love cucumber side dish salads. I really do. Okay, let's have a taste. It is crunchy, juicy, and then the nutty taste from our sesame seeds with a little bit of that spicy taste from our gochugaru and just the right amount of tanginess, garlickiness. It doesn't taste sweet. I could eat this whole plate and be happy and not feel guilty, which is very important, right? And of course, you have to have some warm Korean rice with our cucumber side dish right on top. And of course, if you add a piece of kimchi together, it just becomes instantly better. And you have it like that, folks. Crunchy cucumbers, perfectly seasoned with kimchi and warm Korean rice. Oh, such a simple meal, but so good. So simple, but so satisfying. Like the warm Korean rice with our delicious cucumbers and kimchi just takes it to another level of like, ta-da! So good. Now I have a secret way of eating this. I would take a piece of kim toasted seaweed, add a little bit of warm Korean rice. I would get a piece of avocado, then add 1 piece of our cucumber. Then I would add a little bit of gochujang. That's Korean red pepper paste that's been fermented for at least a year, just like on top, like that. Then I will put this in my mouth and be so happy. Oh, this is such a great combination, folks. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 감사합니다. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of these Korean recipes you see right here.